Hi everybody, it's Renee from Water Scrap, and I have another fun project share to share with you today. I've been seeing these lamps at our local Dollarama and I absolutely loved them. I bought them a year or two ago and I didn't know what I was going to do with them, and I found a way. So my inspiration comes from Karem, who is in the event, and I'll leave her link in the description box below. I made something last year in a glass jar that I really loved, and I still have it, which I will share in our Halloween home tour. So yeah, I got the idea with this one. I glued a stick, and it does light up too, which is pretty cool. So I glued a sticker here that I've had hanging around in my stash for quite a while. I put a bat ring on here and hung them upside down. I just removed the ring part. And I kind of left him mobile because I kind of love the movement of him. But I used some E6000. Well, first of all, let's deal with the base. On the base, I just put a lot of hot glue and used some of that either Spanish moss or reindeer moss. I'll just get it here. Stuff that you can get from the dollar store. This one I got from the Dollarama because it has 3 different kinds in here, which I really like that. So, but I have bought a lot from the Dollar Tree also. And so yeah, I glued this all down and I just kept filling it up till I was satisfied that the whole bottom was covered. And what you do with these skeletons is you can cut them right off or just, bend them part way like I did there, and not quite completely off, which I might still glue, but as I said, I like the movement of them. And you just re-glue them. Like in the event, she does so many awesome tutorials and thinks in so many different ways, and I just love that. So I have a skeleton sitting here. I got glued down a spider there. Add a couple little tombstones. I am not well. This is I need a new body, and I got a spray painted black lizard here that I got from the Dollar Tree, and I put a little key under him to look like he's got a key in his mouth. And I got this crown from Sonia Steptoe a few years ago, and I'm finally using it, so thank you so much, Sonia, if you're watching. And his little black hat here, I used a little cork that I painted black. I used one of my stitched circle dies here and a little flower I put on his hat. And like I said, I love the movement on this. And I absolutely love how it turned out. I think it is so adorable, and it's going to add another nice piece to our Halloween decor. So thanks for watching, everybody. I hope you enjoyed this project share, and have a good day. Bye for now.